So, hello everyone. So today we are celebrating the strategic renewal of the partnership with INSA Lyon and SKF, a partnership that has been driving innovation for over a decade. So this is a very special day, and we are very happy to have Annika Olmer with us today and Greg Zimmerman. So I will start with a question for you, Annika. So SKF partners with world's leading university. And how do we ensure that this kind of high-level scientific research translates directly into customers' real benefits and value?
That's a really important question, and thank you for that. What we do is that we, as a SKF, we determine which are the challenges and the issues that we have to solve today for our customers, and which are the challenges that we have to solve tomorrow for our customers. What do we think will be the technical challenges 10 years from now? And then we work to translate that into technical challenges and into research questions. So we take it all the way from what's needed to serve our customers today and tomorrow into the fundamental questions on exactly how it works with the connection between two metal surfaces and some lubrication in between, for example. How can we really bring that to the next level? And one really good example of that is the generalized bearing life model that we launched some years ago, which is a result of all of this work that allows us and customers to understand why bearings fail and how we avoid that. So fundamentally, we take it from the outside in, but then we make sure that we have that strong core of knowledge coming from the research together with universities. So it's really all very much customer driven, I would say, but from a very research and technical perspective.
Yes, great. And so today we are at INSA, and we have heard how strong the collaboration is with many students joining SKF. And my question to you is, why is diversity and inclusion so important to you and SKF globally?
Well, I think in the DNA of SKF is that we are a fair company. We want diversity and inclusion because it's the right thing to do, but that is not the only thing. So the other part of it is actually that all of the research available shows that if you have diverse teams in terms, it can be in terms of gender, it can be in terms of age, nationality, neurodiversity, whatever you can think of, diverse teams produce better results. More innovation, actually better financial results. It's undisputable that diverse teams do better and actually also are more content with the work they do and have more fun at work. So really, for me, driving diversity and inclusion is actually a business imperative. It is because we want to do better as a company, we want to do better as people, and we want to produce better results in a very good way. So it's about doing the right thing, and it's about building the right business.
Greg, when it comes to aerospace, what do you think makes INSA the ideal partner to drive SKF Aerospace innovation and in lubrication for the next phase?
Yeah, no, it's, again, as we saw a lot today, right? I mean, we've had already a 40-year collaboration. So I think that speaks for itself, right? And when we look at all the people around the room, the experts, many past SKF students even that came here, again, it's really quite something special. It was the first time I had the chance to come here. Really impressed with everything we've seen so far. We'll get to see a little bit more this afternoon, I think. And you know, one of the biggest things too that was in the room today is that they're able, through this network and through our partnership, to also invite both the customer and supplier here, right? So we had Safran, we have Albert Duval, right? So both ends of the spectrum. And the university's ability to not only put world-leading researchers and then the full value chain in the same room, I think is quite incredible and really makes this unique. You know, then there's of course all the aspects of the hard work, right? The advanced calculations, the tools, everything they bring to the table. That a lot of universities can do. Not everyone can bring the full industry together in the same way. So I think we have something really special there. At the same time, of course, the proximity to our Valence lab, right? And our ability to even have students and people traveling in a very, right? That's a bonus. So really impressed with everything we saw today, though.
And I think we can add to that also that all of our researchers and all of the people that work with these deep technical knowledge that we have, they also see customers.
Yes.
And that's another way to be very relevant in our research.
Absolutely.
And you mentioned customers, and my question to you both would be, what would you like the customers that were here to take away as a main message? What message would you like them to bring back from what was presented today?
Yeah, maybe I can go first,
Yes.
Annika. And I think from an aerospace perspective, of course, right, we see that many of the challenges coming for the future are exactly around these areas, right? How do we reduce fuel friction by 25% or more, right? How are we going to make sure that the higher speeds, higher loads, all the things our components are going to be challenged with have the highest reliability that we expect? And so this fundamental research is a big part of that bridge. So I think here we have a place that's going to deliver exactly what the industry is looking for, let alone with a renewed focus also on aerospace. So we heard today a lot of message about new partners coming, some of our main customers that are going to be here having chairs also at INSA.
Yes.
So we have a unique opportunity, and it's a great fit from an aerospace perspective.
It is. Strong message.
I think also it's important with the message that we are, as a company, as SKF, together with our customers, driving sustainability agenda forward. And that is a good business for us moving forward. And aerospace is a great example of that. Yeah. and the way that, and the other message I would like to bring is that you might think that a bearing is only a component, but it is the component that gets subjected to the most stress and load out there in the industry. And we are the technology leader here, but there is still so much more to explore, so much more that we can do. Then we can bring so much more value to our customers, buy more technology and innovation and getting that out to the market. So we still have a lot of work to do, and students and SKF employees alike are all going to be a big part of that.
Exactly. And it's true that today we've heard a lot about the collaboration from technical expertise, but also the human aspects in the collaboration was something that was highly highlighted. And it's really, yes, we feel proud to hear that. And this is really a strong example that we are very happy to share.
Indeed, that's important.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.